This is a tutorial on how to create a map of your farm in SnapMaps and save it as a PDF or print it off. First, open up your farm in SnapPlus, go to the SnapMaps tab, and select Upload, then Website to get to SnapMaps. Before you do any mapping, make sure to check any features you'd like to be included in your map in the map legend. A legend will be automatically generated containing these features when you create your map. Now you need to position your field view to an area you'd like to make a map of. Zoom out or in and adjust by dragging the map around to navigate. Once you're satisfied with the area you've chosen, go to PDF Creation, then select Create PDF of Map. You can then select Use Predefined Mapping Layout to make a PDF of the area you are currently viewing. Looking at the options below, you can choose a landscape or portrait layout. Select whether you'd like to have a PDF of only the map without the legend, whether you want the legend to be on a separate page or not, and whether or not you want the legend to display all available features in it. Give your map a name and select Done. Once you select this, the PDF will have downloaded, and if you click on it, another tab will open, allowing you to view a preview of the map. If you're satisfied with how your map looks, select the Save icon in the corner to save the PDF, or select the Print icon to print it off. This is the end of the tutorial on how to create a printable map of your farm in SnapMaps.